I'm Libby from the Ian Potter Library at Alfred Health. This is a guide for Monash University students to navigate the Monash University Library and find resources for their study and research. This is the third video in our series designed for Monash students. We are not a Monash campus, but we are affiliated with Monash and provide services to assist Monash students who are undertaking a placement at Alfred Health or who are studying with a department that is based at Alfred Health. In this video, we will explain how to evaluate your search results in the library catalogue to find the best material for your research. We will explain some handy tools you can use in order to improve your search. Here we have a page of search results, and as you can see, at the top of each result, it says the type of material that it is. Article means a journal article. Book means either a physical book or an e-book. Less common types of materials include, but are not limited to, conference proceedings, videos, dissertations, and newspaper articles. These other kinds of material can be useful for learning purposes, but for research or assignments, you often want to limit your results to peer-reviewed journal articles. If you see this peer-reviewed icon in the result, that confirms that this is a peer-reviewed item. You can also see some other key information in the search result. You have the author, the details behind who published the item, and down here is the most important section, which is how you access the material. For online resources, you will often see this Download PDF button, which is how you will download the PDF of the item. And you will also often see this Online Access button, which allows you to view it online. Both of these buttons should allow you to see the full text of the resource in an online format. For physical items, you will instead see this button that says Available At. For example, at the Matheson Library General Collection and the call number. This means you need to request the item or look for it on the shelves. Some items are not available at any of Monash's main library branches, and you will need to request to loan or view them from somewhere else. Anything that has off-site store or special collections will need to be requested, and it will take some time before you are able to view the item. Here is the Generate Citation button. If you use EndNote or BibTeX to manage your citations, then it can export a citation for you to import into those programs. It also automatically generates citations in some of the most common formats, which you can then copy and paste. Sometimes these citations have small errors in them though, so check your references carefully before you submit or publish anything. Now you should be able to use the Monash University Library's online catalogue to get a variety of relevant and useful resources. But that is not the only place that you can search. The library has access to databases and library guides tailored towards specific faculties. The next video in this series will show you how to use them. There will be a link in the description to the entire playlist. Thank you for watching.